Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean the WeCreat Lumos Ultra here using one product from Walmart. It's these little lens wipes here that you can get at the front of the store from like the eyeglass repair section. And while you're there, you're going to want to go ahead and grab an eyeglass repair kit as well, just a small Phillips screwdriver. That way you can use that to remove these 4 screws from the back of your unit to get to your fan. So with that said, I'm going to show you how to clean this, and we're going to talk about a new pre-filter that I and another member of the WeCreat users group has been working on to prevent any kind of dust from getting in here that you'll have to clean as often as what you do now. But without that, you'll just have to clean more often, so you'll just follow this video. So with that said, you'll want to take your first lens wipe here, and then you're going to use that on the actual lens of the unit. You can wipe that down so there's no dirt or debris on it. Make sure it is a fresh one that you haven't wiped on any kind of dirt or debris before. And then just take that one and throw it in the trash. By that time, it'll be dried out. These are basically like hand wipes, so they dry out pretty quickly. Then you can use as many as you need for the rest of this here. So you're going to take one and you're going to just wipe down the surface of this tray here, and then the bottom tray as well, and make it as clean as possible. And then this is where you're going to use that special screwdriver, and you're going to remove the 4 screws of your fan back here. Once you remove the 4 screws, you can then use a lens wipe again, and you can get in there with your fingers and just clean out all of the fan area there and blow it out with like an air compressor as well, or an air duster, I should say. I always use the little electric ones. They work great. Now, if you want to prevent this from getting dirty in the first place, a member of the WeCreat users group goes by the name of John, and I have partnered up on many machines in the past for 3D prints here. So we went ahead and made these little pre-filters here. We have a Fresh Start Customs edition and then one for the J&J edition here. They're the exact same thing. So if you own a 3D printer, I'll put some links for the free download below. If you support me, go ahead and use this one here. If you support him, go ahead and use this one here. It's just a running inside joke to see who's you're going to download the most of, but they do the exact same thing. Basically, you just put a pre-filter on the inside here, and then it clips by pressure fit onto the back of the unit, just like so. And then it's just going to sit there. It may be a little loose in some areas on your unit, depending on the fit of your unit itself. But John and I have gone through 6 different iterations of this to make sure that it fits really well, and it's not going to fly off while you're actually using the unit itself. It's going to stay secure. You can replace that filter as much as you want. All of the smaller particles are going to still get through, so you will still need to clean your fan every once in a while, but this is going to save you a ton of time and not as many cleanings in the first place. If you guys have questions on this, let me know down in the comments below. If you don't own a 3D printer and you want to contact John to have one printed and shipped to you, go ahead and contact him on his Etsy page. He will have to sell that to make some money off of it. He's the only one that has commercial rights to this. So if you're going to download the digital version, just make sure that you're only using it for personal use for yourself. That's the only rights he's including for the downloads of these 2 versions here. But if you want to purchase one of these from him, go ahead and use his links in either his Etsy shop or contact him directly. I think he's in the middle of transitioning to a move right now with his home, so he may be have a delay in that. But other than that, if you guys have questions about the cleaning process here or the pre-filters, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.